Leveraging AI in teaching with an innovative approach. AI, my friends, is not here to replace the teachers, but teachers who do not use AI will be replaced by the ones who do. Educators feel left behind with AI, fearing it is going to replace creativity instead of amplifying it. You want to apply these strategies where AI and teaching create that blend for your easiness. Let's take a look at it. Firstly, we have personalized learning. AI can tailor the paced content as per each student. Second, smart grading and feedback because it saves time and increases fairness. 3. Creative lesson design. Use AI to generate examples, quizzes, and multimedia. And lastly, focus on the human touch because teachers bring empathy and mentorship. AI supports it and doesn't replace it. For more on innovative learning, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Elvina Ustride. AI, my friends, cannot replace you, but it helps you with personalization, grading, creativity, and it gives you a lot of free time as well. AI is not the end of teaching, it is the beginning of teaching smarter.